Open the lid through the semicircular opening. Place the device in the Instal-Pro in the correct orientation. Press the run button. When you hear a click, it means it has been successfully activated. Wait for Instal-Pro to secure the device. Use the included cleaning cloths to clean the screen. Use the included dust removal stickers and follow the instructions. First, tear off number 1. Flip the dust removal sticker over, apply it to the screen, and leave it on. Please align the edges when pasting. Use the scraper to ensure the dust removal sticker adheres firmly to the screen. Remove the frame weeding on the film. Peel off bottom layer. Remove the seal from the pull tab strip. Align the black adhesive strip with the corresponding position on the membrane and apply it. Fold the pull tab so that it aligns with the long line on the film. Tear off number 2. Lift the film and the pull tab. Attach the positioning layer to the pins on the rod. Use a scraper to secure the tape to the dust removal sticker. Close the lid. Press and hold Instal-Pro, then pull the pull tab. Turn the roller back and forth twice. Open the lid. Peel off the positioning layer. Use the tab sticker to remove first layer. Once installation is complete, press the round button to release the lock. Scan the QR code for video guide. Open the lid through the semicircular opening. Place the